Hello there. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great and I'm also fine. You know that this is Ramadan month and in Ramadan the month is and the month routine is something changed then another month. So this is going the last 10 days and today I like to share with you about my daily routine. You know that today I woke up early in the morning, and every day I woke up early in the morning because every day I practiced my English in the morning. I like this is very much because in the morning time is the secret time. If I also discussed about this. So every day I woke up early in the morning and came here for my practice. And after practicing, I go sometimes I go my private and sometimes I go my coaching. And today I have private. After completing this practice, I will go my private. And today, after walking up, then I make mistakes. Then I thought today my private was 9 a.m. But sometimes later I remember that my private is 8 a.m. and I woke up 7 a.m. and then I came here hurry up and starting to practicing my English. And for this, when I remember this that today I made a mistake, already my 20 minutes has gone, and then a stress started a stress created in my head that you made a mistakes, go up, go hurry, and that stress is very harmful for brain because it creates a very dangerous problem in mind. It's don't stay mind fresh and cool. So it create sometimes when you take a very stress, very sadness you stay for this it creates, but you have to be want to overcome this stress. And also today I want to, oh, I forget that you know that every day I woke up early in the morning and 7 a.m. every day because this is Ramadan month, and for this I have to wake up 7 a.m. and after waking up then I sometimes I read my textbook, and sometimes I came here to make my video. And after completing my video, some days I go my private or my coaching, and some days I go my home. And then after coming my home, after going my home, then I read some, I fresh and I wash my hands, my mouth. Then I go my table for reading, and after completing my reading, then I take a rest, and also then I go for a shower, and then I go after completing my shower. Then I go for prayer in the masjid, and then I also came here, and then I read some page of Quran, and because this is Ramadan month, I have to read some Quran page, and then today I'm feeling very uncomfortable. Then, but the weather is very comfortable. The weather is clean, clear, and also fresh weather. This is weather. I mean, I thinking today's weather is very fresh than and in any other days form than any other days. Okay, I will discuss about that, but now I have to discuss about my daily routine. And after reading a Quran, then I take a breath or take a rest. Then I also starts to reading our online class. Then also before my Asr prayer, I do online class. I take rest. I read everything, and then I go my for my Asr prayer. And after completing my Asr prayer, as I am going a journey on English. For this I have some works. So after completing my Asr prayer, some days I recite Quran, and then some page Quran, and then I repeat some English, any English podcast or any English video, because repeating is very important. Like a child or children or kids learn a new language by repeating. When he listens something, he just repeat this instantly again and again. For this, he can learn this language very fast. So this is very important for learning a language. For this, every afternoon I do this, and after completing any repeating or any podcast, then I also wash my hands, and I take a fresh and cool water. Then then I go then I also go, uh, okay, for my dress I am feeling very uncomfortable. Okay. Then I go my study table for writing. Yes, this is a another important thing. Writing is important. Listening, writing, and speaking. These three tasks, these three habits makes a great result. May I maybe in English, learning a new language. And I write some page, may 2 page. First time I started writing by 1 page with 1 page, but now I write 2 page. I faced some problem, but I also write every day. And then I take iftar, and then I go home Moscow for a prayer. And in night I have to upload my video, and then I stay busy. So I don't want to say you for this, because this makes me my own way, my own wish. So for this I don't want to share with you these habits, but I will share with you my daily practice every day with fluency. When I will get a fluency or get a flow, then I will share with you this every day. So this is my daily practice and daily routine. So now I want to share with you some problems. And before starting this, then I also share with you, I also clarify, I also discuss about this weather, today's weather. You know that surround myself, there are some paddy fields, green and beautiful. And this is I am standing road. Then this road is made by soil. And I want to say you that city people don't touch by by don't touch by legs in a day for a moment soil. So this is very important for mind, for our health, and for staying cool and connect and focus. So this is very important to walking on street without shoes. And because these, when you woke up and early in the morning, these kinds of place, this weather is very important for you. And this soil, this ground is also very important for your health. Look the vibe. And I also want to say you that, and this, you notice that some farmers are working. And when I was speaking, then you also notice that they are watching me, they are listening me. But I don't stop my video, I don't stop my speaking with my own willing. Because if I stop, then it creates a stress, it creates a shy. So for this I don't stop. Just see the weather. Some coconuts trees are. And also you are not, maybe you are not that, but you are not show this clearly, because my camera is not so good, so advanced. For this you are not watching this clearly. If you support me, if and my god's want, almighty god's want, then I one day I will speak daily and I will stay connected, trust myself. But one day I will speak like that. And if I can stay, I trust myself, I trust my God's plan. One day I must speak fluency confidently, and then if my capability will create, then I also buy a camera, buy a very also this looks very okay. I also buy a camera and buy a advanced phone where I also make video clearly. Also, video quality will be very good. So you for this you have to be support me. Okay, you have to be support me. If you don't support, then I also lost my I also lost my vibe. I also lost my confidence. But I can stay. I want to stay connected. And also you maybe you are watching me on YouTube. If you want, then also you can share with me on Facebook, because I created a Facebook page, and but I don't upload it now video, and 1 week later, 1 week not maybe 5 days later I will start it to uploading their videos. So if you want, then you can also follow my page. And now I describe a thing that is why we can stay comfortable, or why we can speak like me, that I also feeling shy and stress and also fear. I also feel this. Why we will feel this fear to speak in front of some people, or in front of some audience, or in front of a camera, even a camera. So why we feel this, now I describe this. So let us start our second part. Okay, now why we will feel stress, why we'll feel stress, and the main reason is we our mindset. Yes, this is the main reason, our mindset. If we all time we say our mind, we think in our mind that what if I will make mistakes. uh, this is normal, this is okay, that now I am beginners. So this is okay, that I must make mistakes. And also we know that mistake is the part of success. So and also we think that what if I will make mistakes, what if my pronunciation is not good, what if my vocabulary is make mistakes, and what if I people laugh at me, a lot of things. And for those things we get fear to start speaking. We get loss our confidence to speaking in front of some people or in front of some audience. So for this we have to be kill our fear. We have to be think all time positive mindset. We have to be stay all time positive. That we have to think that making mistake is not opposite any success, is not opposite to shy, or is not opposite or improving, and make it is a part. So if you go the first floor on in any buildings, or second floor in any buildings, you cannot go up this by steps. You have to be follow some steps. You have to be step by step going there up, go up there. So like this, if you want to success, if you want to speak with confidently with fluency, then you also have to be makes problems. Yes, making problems is also a symptoms you are improving. So I require you that you make mistakes, but don't fear, don't shy that I'm making mistakes. Also I also shy, but shyness is have, I think though it is don't have every people, but fear is appear or every people, every mindset. So if once you can once overcome your fearness, if you once can speak your English, or if you not just English, we also get fear to speak in our mother tongue in a stage, or in speaking in front of some audience. I also have this mindset, but this fear but I am trying to overcome this by making video. And also I spoke when also some people are listening me. I want to don't stop my video. So you have for this you also need a time. You don't possible in overnight. You for this you need 1 month, 2 months, or three even 3 months. For this you have to be stay connect. And I think and I also trust that the main way, also the best way to overcome this fear, to kill this shy, to kill this fearness is the best way making video. And also have another way that we can speak in front of a mirror. In you also can record our voice. This is also some way, but the main way is recording video. And for this you also get some benefits. Then you can, when you record video, then you also get uploads this video on some medias also your page. So I require you, this is the best way for for overcoming our stress. So that's all for today. And I trust myself. So I also say something very important. I also spoke this sentence every day, but I also want to speak, because if you speak one thing again and again, step by step, your mind started to accept this. So for this I spoke a sentence, or I speak a sentence, or which is very important for our life. I speak this, I want to speak this again and again, every time, every day. So for this I forget. Okay, what I wanted to say, I totally forgot this, but no problem. This is called short time memory loss. But for this, I also made a mistakes. When I get short time memory loss, then I give a lot of stress to my mind, and this is also very harmful for mind, for mind, and for also our brain. Because when we want to remember something, when we forget something, then we try to remember again and again, then our mind also forgot more words, more things. So this is very harmful. And so I am speaking now another parts, another sentence. And also this is important. This is uh, to write a story, to write a book, we need both sides, hard and easy, both sides, both parts. Without another parts, we don't complete our story, our book. So like this, to complete a life, we need hardness and softness, joy and pain. So this life, if you want joy, or uh, if you want joy, or if you want to comfortable, you have to be give to your life hard and uncomfortable or discomfortable moments. So I hope you are wanted, I hope you are understand me. So have a good day,